Been insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
You've been injured in an accident and need righteous representation? Call us, because we fight fire. Damn thing ain't working. Whoa! Not cool, bro.
I'm Attorney Coy Browning. Personal injury is no joke. Just ask him.
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
We're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and it's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
Hi, I'm Wanda Roberts. For the last 20 years, I've been helping the residents of Northwest Florida buy and sell their properties. Give us a call at 850-398-5389.
Hi, I'm Michael Gilbert, defense attorney with Warrior Law. I represent those accused in Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. If you or anyone you know has been accused of a crime, give us a call. We can help.
Cyclone Bakery Cafe is 2 blocks from the courthouse on Crestview's historic Main Street. We serve handmade pastries, espresso, and lunch items, and we're open Tuesday to Saturday from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m., serving lunch from 11 to 2. We hope to see you soon.
Hello, I am Bonnie from Body Be Healthy here in Crestview. We have been serving the area since 1999. We're an alternative health food store. If you're interested in bettering your health, we'd like to invite you to stop by.
I'm Amanda Gaskin with Briarpatch Realty. Helping qualified heroes save money is my passion. When I help a hero buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
You've been injured in an accident and need righteous representation? Call us, because we fight fire. Damn thing ain't working.
Whoa! Not cool, bro. I'm Attorney Coy Browning. Personal injury is no joke. Just ask him.
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
We're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and it's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
Hi, I'm Wanda Roberts. Roberts. For the last 20 years, I've been helping the residents of Northwest Florida buy and sell their properties. Give us a call at 850-398-5389.
Hi, I'm Michael Gilbert, defense attorney with Warrior Law. I represent those accused in Santa Rosa, Okaloosa, and Walton County. If you or anyone you know has been accused of a crime, give us a call. We can help.
All right, Mr. Strahan, you're here on 21 CF 1400. You also have another case, 21 CF 1403. I believe we're set for a trial in the 1400 case. I've been made aware of a potential witness situation. What I'd like to do is have the parties either file a motion or file a response, and I want to read it all, and on Friday I'll make the determination if the case could potentially get continued because of that reason. But I want to read everything about it before I make that decision today.
Explain to you briefly back there, but I'll come and explain to you. This will benefit you if you just give the court till Friday, not till Friday, but
I was just making sure you were muting it as he went to talk to you. I know he wasn't. That's why I told him to.
right, Judge.
All right, so we'll come back Friday the 7th, this Friday. And I'm going to research the issue myself. It's something that hasn't come up before me before, certainly not in this context, so I'd like to read it and have a potential decision even before Friday if everyone agrees to talk about it. I just don't want to potentially pull the plug on a trial that's been pending for quite some time until I know for sure it's a reason to do so.
Sir.
And I'm not trying to imply in any way that I'm going to do one thing or another. It's the first time it's been brought to my attention, and I want to read through some of the statutes about it.
See you on Friday. See you later, buddy.
All right, we'll see you on Friday, Mr. Strahan.
Judge Oberliesen, sir, I don't have anything further. May I be excused?
Oh, you can go do your research.
Exactly. That's exactly where I'm going.
Go for that run.
What?
Judge, this is State of Florida versus Cordell Thomas.
I also have him, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Mr. Maddox, your case is not set for trial, is it?
It is not, Your Honor.
Okay.
I still have, since last court date, it's come to my attention that the deputy that discovered the drugs in the backseat of his patrol car actually found the drugs, saw the drugs. He was never deposed. Gone through the witness list, and that officer has not been deposed. When I was here last week, I requested a continuance. The state objected to the continuance. I requested a continuance on the grounds that I'm gearing up for a murder trial that I've been gearing up for a while now. I've spoken to Mr. Thomas about my request for a continuance, now even more so because I would like to depose that witness. He says the case has been going around for a long time. That's true, but I've had the case for 5 months. I got appointed in June. Depositions were done of all the state's witnesses, but this deposition was not done. In the course of all this, I've tried to discuss the issues with Mr. Thomas. I don't have any ability to counsel Mr. Thomas anymore, Judge, with regards to legal aspects. Mr. Thomas won't listen to a single thing I say about the case. He won't take my advice about the law. He won't listen to me when I talk to him about constructive possession. Come close to arguing with each other. I was at the jail with him last week, and I lost it, and I swore at him. And then I drove back to the jail and apologized for swearing to him because I felt bad about swearing at him. It's just that I don't have any ability to counsel him as an attorney at all. And quite frankly, I don't know who would. I don't know if there's an attorney that you could appoint at this time that could counsel Mr. Thomas. And so with a client that refuses to take my advice, refuses to listen to me, tells me how things are going to go, tells me how things are going to be, tells me what the state is going to do and what the state should do, it just makes my job almost impossible to represent Mr. Thomas. I'm doing the best I can to give him legal representation and advise him of the risk of going to trial, what the possible outcomes could be, but he won't listen to a thing I say about it. So I still am asking for continuance. I'm asking for the ability to speak with Mr. Thomas and explain to him how he's wanting to force me into a position to try a case where I've told the court I would rather not try it this cycle because of what's going on in Judge Stone's division and because I'd like to take depositions of this one witness that was never deposed. And if, that's on me for having the case for 5 months and just now realizing that that witness was not deposed, I'll take responsibility for that. But I know that if I don't depose that witness and we go to trial and Mr. Thomas is convicted, that'll be the first thing he alleges in a 3.850 motion, failure to take depositions of a witness in a trafficking case. So I am still requesting a continuance. I'm asking for Mr. Thomas to listen to my advice as his attorney, as his counsel, with regards to the need for a continuance. He thinks the trial will be very easy. Trials are not easy. I mean, you have to prepare for them. I have to do things to get prepared for the trial. And now I've got a witness that's never been deposed that I discovered over the weekend.
Your Honor.
Go ahead, Mr. Thomas.
I do not think such. It's nothing easy about saying giving somebody 25 years when they have a family and kids out there. I do not think such. I think that you sitting here telling these people something that's not true. I've been trying to reach out to you. You don't reach out. You come to me. You come up to the jail. When you come up to the jail, you want to talk about your family, your daughter. My family is at stake too. Also, you told me when you come to the jail that we can get 1129 with a little bit of Listen, let me finish.
I never said that.
Yes,
That's
you did,
an absolute bald-faced inaccuracy. It's an untruth.
You did.
Mr. Thomas
I'm not going to lie
is
on you, sir.
I've never said.
I'm not going to lie on you, sir.
All right. We're not going to have an argument.
Yes, sir, we're not.
You're not going to interrupt me either, Mr. Thomas.
Your Honor, I'm not being disrespectful to no one. He came up to the jail, talked to me Friday. Said we're going to talk to the state about getting a little probation or 1129. He did. Asked me about medication. Was I on psych meds? No, I take thyroid medication. And I asked him, was he taking his med? He told me, man, fuck, and just like went outside the door. We haven't been on the, I don't believe he's in my best interest either, Your Honor. Every time he comes see me, it's the same.
It's your third lawyer this year, Mr. Thomas.
Oh, it's the second, Your Honor. It's the second. Miss Flowers, she had to go do something else. I guess she's a state attorney now. I didn't know that Miss Flowers was leaving. Only him and Scott Kleins. That's it.
But Miss Flowers was on your case.
But she doesn't. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You go ahead, Mr. Thomas.
No, I'm sorry, Your
You
Honor.
want to tell me things, but you don't want me to respond, so you're free to go. Go ahead, as far as tell me what you want to tell me.
Go ahead, Your Honor.
I'm waiting, Mr. Thomas.
Ms. Flowers was on my case until she got transferred. I guess she transferred to another job or so.
But if you recall, your complaints about Mr. Klein's was what Ms. Flowers failed to do.
I was kind of told to say
So
that.
what I'm saying is you've had 3 lawyers in the past year, all of which you said haven't done what they're supposed to do.
When I feel like he's not in my best interest. Everything is on body cam, what happened that day. I can't control what's found in the officer's vehicle.
I would
I have
encourage
no
you,
control.
and I would ask Mr. Thomas to remind him, he has a right to remain silent. This is being recorded not only for court,
understand.
but TV. Please not talk about the facts of the case, because you may impugn yourself
I understand.
and say
what's-
something that's against your
I
interest. So
understand. that,
I'm
but I
advising you
haven't-
not to say anything about the case.
But I'm telling you I'm letting him know that I have no clue of what's
If you're
going
letting
on.
him know something, you should be talking outside the presence of the court.
I've been addressed my lawyer this, and when his response to me was, "You're right, Mr. Thomas," and that I didn't know nothing about any new depositions, new all this. I didn't know nothing about none of this. All I thought
Is there
was
a body camera from the officer?
yes.
Mr. Thomas, finish my question for me.
And I cannot.
Since you didn't want to hear the rest of it, finish it for me. See, that's the point, Mr. Thomas. I'm asking a question to determine what's going on in this case. And instead of actually letting me get the question out, you're interrupting me. So when you talk about whether or not you're being disrespectful, you are.
Apologize.
I'm not upset about it. Doesn't bother me any. I've had worse things said to me and at me in this courtroom alone. I understand. I'm not upset about it. But if you want me to have any sort of conversation with you about this trial, you got to let me finish the question that's directed at your lawyer. Is there a body camera from the officer who allegedly found these things in the back seat?
There's body cam. I don't think we want to discuss what's on the body cam in court about what it shows and what it doesn't show.
All right, Mr. Ken, turn off the camera, please.